What is up, you guys? This is Awesome Clement. Today I'm gonna make a video playing MotoGP 3. And guys, I haven't been making videos for almost many days because I was been away in the Melbourne trip for like last week a few days, and now I came back. So I might make like 3 videos. I will probably do this track, and this track. I'll probably make 3. Okay, so let's do this track. Okay, let's choose that one. So what happened was, guys, if you didn't know that I was away in Melbourne Victoria from like on a trip on like a few days ago and last week, but luckily I actually came back. So now, this is now part 1. Okay, racing. Okay, that's really not bad. So, this is actually now part 1 on MotoGP 3. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on part 2. Bye.